There we go. Yeah, that's some of the back roads that I'm going through now. Which I don't know how deep none of this is. It shouldn't be too deep though. Well, it's actually like, it's kind of deep. Nothing crazy though. Well, that sucks. The park is closed. I was about to literally drive this thing in to the lake, but I want to see if it floats, and I knew now would be a pretty good time. I kind of want to see. Yeah, well, that is Bourne. I thought it was going to be open, but, I mean, after a hurricane, I guess, the day it happened, guess it's not going to be open. Okay, maybe this one's not good. Yeah, I don't know how deep this one is, and it says do not enter. But if I had to guess, it's going to be, like, a whole bunch of rocks and stuff, so, yeah, I don't think we're going to be doing this one. I'm wondering if some of it over here we could possibly water willy. This thing should be fairly easy to be able to water willy, especially if I'm going on my back rack. Wait a second, is this thing four-wheel drive? Oh, it's still somewhat locked in four, kind of. Yeah. I think it's still somewhat locked in four-wheel drive because I had to do the cable right there, but I guess it's still a little bit locked in there. This one way to clean the four-wheeler. Yeah, this is some of the main trails. Splashing through some of this, and my GoPro is falling. This makes me angry. Okay, well my GoPro mount's broke, so I'm kind of holding my camera. Okay, so the creek up here should have a lot of bit of water, if I'm guessing. Splashes that little stuff, and yeah, this creek is completely flooded and it's flowing. Oh wait, I can't wait to see how deep this stuff is. Yeah, it's kind of flooded. Okay, so this one should be decently deep as well. Yeah, that's pretty deep. Okay, well at the mud hole there is a little bit of like a puddle. Nothing crazy because people blocked that off because they're dumb. They were building houses there. And yeah. Now the water doesn't flow into the mud hole anymore, so that's just from the rain. Okay, here we go again, which, sorry about the GoPro not being stuck on my helmet. Drifty being all that lime rock. This one hasn't had water in it in a while. Okay, well, I was driving on these floating mats that County had out here, and I was they're kind of like falling apart while driving on them. Can I go back on here? I don't know if I can. But they're kind of floating. They're floating. guys enjoyed the video, remember guys to like and subscribe. We're on our way to 18,000 subscribers. Let's try to get 50 likes, and thanks guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, later.